there is a way to save page as template within a DIY website. Let's see how we can do that. This is my DIY website here. I will open the menu and enter the admin panel. These are all my pages, and let's imagine that I'd like to save the home page as a template so I can create more pages that looks the same like the home page. And for that I have to select the additional settings button over here. It says settings and CEO, so I will select it, and there is a button over there that says save it as template. So what I can do is I can click on it. I can select image for my new template. That one looks nice. Then I can name it like template 1. Save. Now the template is being saved, but in order for me to use that template and create a new page from it, I have to go to my menu, go to pages, and then click the plus sign. Once I click the plus sign, I can see my template over there on top. I can preview it and to see how the new page that I will create will look like. But I can then say, okay, just use it and create a new page out of that template. So it will be page 2, create, and then my page 2 is being created from the template,